Hello students, myself Vikram Singh welcomes you to Soni Study Centre. In today's class, we are going to discuss exercise 2.5, question number 1 and 2. So first question is x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. In step number 1, bring the variables on one side. So x by 2 is already on left hand side. Bring this x upon 3 on left side. Here it is of plus sign, on left side it becomes minus, is equal to 1 by 4 is already on the right hand side. Take this 1 by 5 to the right hand side. Transpose this minus 1 by 5 to right hand side, it becomes plus 1 by 4. After this, take LCM of left hand side and LCM of right hand side. LCM of left hand side is 3 into 2 means 6. 2 3s are 6, 3 into x is 3x. Minus, divide 6 by 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 into x is 2x, which is equal to LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. 4 5s are 20, 5 into 1 is 5. Divide this 20 by 5, 5 4s are 20. 4 into 1 is 4. Now 3 minus 2x is 1x. It is only written as x. Upon 6 is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9 upon 20. Now take this 6 to the right hand side. On left side it is in denominator. On right hand side it becomes numerator. Now divide 2 3s are 2 10s are. So answer is 27 upon 10. Question number 2. It is n upon 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6 is equal to 21. Now in this equation, variable is n and all the variables are already on left hand side. So we will directly take the LCM. LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12. 2, 4, 6. Take LCM. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja. Again 2. 1 1 3 and again 3. 1 1 1. 3 2 ja 6, 2 ja 12. So LCM is 12. Now divide this 12 by 2. We get 6. Multiply that 6 by n. It is 6n. Minus 4 3s are 12. 3 into 3 is 9n. Plus 6 2s are 12. 2 into 5 is 10n is equal to 21. Now 10 plus 6 16. 16 minus 9 is 7n upon 12 is equal to 21. Now transpose this 7 upon 12 to the right hand side. On right hand side it becomes 12 upon 7. Here it is 7 upon 12. On right side it becomes 12 upon 7. Now 7 3s are 21 and n is equal to 12 3s are 36. This is the answer. In next class, we will discuss question number 3 and 4 of the same exercise. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Soni Study Centre.